Hi, good evening guys. Andito ko, katatapos sa bus. Kalalabas na to, grabe nangyari sa kotse guys. Oh. Kawawa naman. Oh my goodness. Nag-car accident. Tumilapon. Kaya ayoko, sa totoo lang, kaya ayokong magmaneho dahil dami may nangyayaring ganyang na sitwasyon. Grabe, kawawa naman. Ito tumabang kotse, Diyos ko po. Kung nandun ako, naku, talagang nakakatakot. Kawawa naman. Tumaob yung kotse. Ayun guys, oh. Ano? Oh my God. Grabe. Delikadong panahon na yun. May tao sa ano, siguro nangyari sa akin, nakakatakot sobra. Oh, ang grabe guys, oh. Habang nakita ako ng bus, meron naman dumating din mga pulis. May nangyari, car accident. Minsan talaga may maiwasan pag may car accident. Hindi ako makalapit guys eh. Kasi parang inarangan nila. Binalak nila dahil nga sa car accident. So, I'm sure umas na yung tao sa loob. Kaya siya eh, oh. Grabe. Kakaawa naman. Delikado guys. Alam mo guys, kapag kahit anong drive nyo, kahit na magaling man kayo, but still, hindi kayo nag-iingat sa pagmamaneho, talagang grabe. Diyos ko po, kung ako magmamaneho dyan, baka ako mamatay nang wala sa oras dyan. Diyos ko po. Pwede pang yung tao sa loob. Mapipi. There's someone there inside? Look like there's someone there outside.
I don't know, but you know,
That's really scary. No matter what, how we drive fast, we drive good, but some people they don't drive.
some people maybe it's like a wrong, like a, you know.
Right. Oh
Other
my
time,
God.
Drive safety, you know.
I'm gonna send it to my son because my son he's only young,
Yeah,
especially teenager.
That's him driving safe, driving.
I don't even know how to drive, but I'm imagining myself if I'm with them, I'm gonna be like that. I'm gonna die soon because see, look at that. It's hard like when the car is like that.
I think the car is like that. It's
Yeah. When this happened earlier,
I don't know because I be hearing.
it looked like there's no people there anymore. I mean, somebody left, or maybe
No,
they
nobody
already
was
took it.
there. No, not
They,
nobody.
they went to they already I mean what do you call this one? The ambulance already arrived earlier, huh? Because it's already empty.
Yeah, it's empty.
Yeah, it was empty. Oh my God, that is really so scared.
It's a big accident.
Yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness, that's really grabe talaga. Hindi ako makalapit guys eh. Hindi talaga ako makalapit. Ano ba yan? Ang hirap. Kita ko yung paghirap ng tao. Imagine, no? Nakano sa ano. Tignan natin kung ano yung ano. Ano. That's scared. I don't know what happened. Somebody in there? Oh my God. Woo! Oh my goodness. This is really so scary. Guys, you have to be careful, ha? Be careful when you guys drive. Nakita niyo man nangyari, di ba? pakikita ko sa inyo. Kasi inyo pa kahit na anong drive nyo, kahit maganda man, kahit ano, but still, ganyan pa rin mangyayari. Huwag kayong mataas ang self-confidence niyo kasi may mga tao talaga mag-drive very talaga, mabilis. So take care guys, iwas ang iwas mag-drive. Okay, if you have any question, mamaya ulit sakit na ng labi ko. Ng gum ko dyan, makapagsalita. May sugat. Take care.